Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm officially back from California, and I was going through like my videos and everything, but I was looking through, and for some reason I was just going through like the first vlog. In one of the footages, I could see like my sister putting down a backpack. Like 2 minutes later, it just falls over. Like nobody was near her or anything. I wanted to show you guys like what this was because it just completely just falls over. Like nobody's around it or touches it. Maybe there's like a ghost or something. So I got my laptop here. Here it is. And I'm going to show you what I am talking about. Alright, so I'm going to go into my computer right here. And so I'm going to open up my, my big hard drive thing I got here. And I'm just going to go to, I have a California vlog folder. And here, right in vlog number 1, I'm going to go down. I'm going to go to the GoPro footage. So it's all the way at the bottom. This is all like the stuff. Here's time lapses in the car and everything. And so I just go here, and this one right here, where I put the GoPro, I'm going to open that one up, and I stuck it in on the window of the hotel room just to get a time lapse of us unpacking. So here it is. I started. My sister's over here looking at it, and I'm walking over here. And so I'm going to speed it up right over here. And you can see, so right here at this moment, my dad hands me the car keys and like the room key to go get ice. Because we need those for like drinks and stuff. So I walk out of the room right here. And my sister takes off her backpack right here and puts it down. And my mom's telling me something. My sister's here. My dad's over here. And she puts it down, right? And I walk out of the room. So nobody at this moment is over by like the, and my dad walks over here. Nobody's by the backpack. It just falls. That's like a solid, like, from the minute, like, so my sister puts it down, like, here. So it's 21. A good 30 seconds just rolls by. Like 45 seconds, and then nobody touched it, nobody's near it, but like everybody's over here. There's nobody over by the backpack. They're all right here, and the backpack over here, and I don't know, like, and then you could see it just starts falling, and nobody touches it. It's like a good 45 seconds, so it's not slowly going over. It's literally just doing that. So I just thought that was like weird, like maybe there's like a ghost and everything like following us the whole trip. But yeah, there was just like, and then right over here, my dad picked something up, like the luggage thing, and right there, but he doesn't move the curtains when he hits it, right here. So, but then all of a sudden he starts walking away with it. It's never behind the curtains, he just picks it in front of it. And then over here you can see the blinds just start to move. Look at that. But you can see right here, it's not behind it, it's just in front of it. I definitely think that's a ghost, and nobody's over there. My sister's in the bathroom, and I'm getting ice or anything. That was just a short video for you guys. Hope you guys like it. This is like a weird thing. I just saw it. I thought it'd make a good video. So, like, comment, subscribe. Just keep following. I want to get to like 200 subscribers soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to throw my hat at the camera, so make a cool outro.